mean being kind of caught in the middle?
Well, everybody's circumstances and facts are different, you know what I mean? But the tax brackets are going up. The standard deduction's going up by $1,800, which is kind of a big number to think about. Remember, if you're a taxpayer, you get to take your standard deduction of what you itemize. A lot of people are taking the standard now more than ever because of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act changed 5 years ago. It nearly doubled it. Now that it's being increased for inflation, which is what it's supposed to do by law, it's really up this year. So you're seeing that. Your income tax credit, as you say, it's up about 7%. And tax brackets, when you think about tax brackets, they're kind of like a layer thing, right? So those are increasing as well. And that prevents something as we used to call our tax department, that's called brackets. That's kind of where the phenomenon where taxpayers' incomes go up a little bit faster than the threshold built into the code. That's why you're going to see these adjustments. I guess the word being commensurate to that as we move forward. And currently, and now,
Is there anything changing in 2023 that is important for taxpayers to know, but perhaps they don't?
Not that legislation this year, I haven't seen legislation this year that's going to affect anything. We had some enormous pieces of legislation in the pandemic, the last one being 2021, the rescue plan. Although the Inflation Reduction Act, there are some things in there, not really a big effect on everybody. It did give us a little increase for the IRS to do our job and have more resources, that kind of thing. But other than that, these adjustments are just statutory, and they just increase the amount of things which will benefit a lot of people in a lot of ways. But that depends on your complete set of facts and circumstances. So it's not easy to answer that question, but it is easy to say, take a look at these, consider them kids for next year for planning going forward.
Raphael, thank you. Raphael Tolino, spokesperson for the IRS. When we come back, we're going to try to answer the question, why are women creating corporate boardrooms at a higher rate than their male counterparts?
If dog people made dog food, we can't look like dusty dark brown pebbles. We would actually eat food. It would be made of real fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve the nutritional value. You know, the farmer's dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans! The new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued, so keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
At Frontier, we know you've had enough of cable internet. If you're tired of steep price hikes, upload speeds slower than download speeds, and worrying about Wi-Fi, then uncable yourself and switch to Frontier Fiber. With unrandom pricing, equal uploads and downloads, and our whole home Wi-Fi guarantee. Introducing internet that works the way it should. Frontier Gig Fiber with our 3-year price guarantee. Plus, you can get a $200 Visa reward card bonus. See frontier.com/fast4 for complete offer terms, eligibility, and performance details. Subject to availability.
Hey, I'm Amy Redwood, host of the podcast Beyond Black History Month. Here's reason number 568 million of why you should be listening. From in-depth reporting on the shortage of black sperm to how one House of the Dragon star is dealing with online trolls who don't love seeing black dragon riders.
I can't lose sleep over that. I've been worrying about things that are beyond my control.
Listen and subscribe to Beyond Black History Month on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts.
This week in music, Green Day has announced a Nimrod reissue in honor of the album's 25th anniversary. Available as a 3-disc CD and 5 LP vinyl collection in January. It includes previously unreleased demos as well as a full live recording from a '97 concert in Philly. Switchfoot has released a new song called California Christmas, an original track off the band's upcoming holiday compilation. This is our Christmas album. It will be released November 4th. For more, visit Odyssey.com.
Other health concerns, mental wellness is not always easy to see. Depression won't show up on an eye chart. You won't find PTSD by looking at a thermometer. Sorting out a mental health concern takes professional diagnosis and treatment. Anxiety won't just go away under a bandage. If you or a loved one has a mental health concern, call 1-800-662-HELP Education and Treatment referral. Learn more at samhsa.gov/support.
Finding perfect suits can seem impossible, but finding one that's perfect for you is easy with Indochino. Choose your design and custom details. Then submit your measurements online or get measured in store for a custom made-for-you fits at an incredible price. And shop their new fall collection for seasonal styles. Find your perfect suit with Indochino. Get $50 off any purchase of $399 or more with promo code FALLUPDATE at Indochino.com. That's INDOCHINO.com. Promo code FALLUPDATE.
Back to KNX in depth in a minute. First, at 2:15, sponsored by Yellow Sack Waste Removal. Here's Tom Tran.
As if the drive around LAX is not typically terrible, we have a major problem. This is a police pursuit that started in San Diego and ended literally on the ramp from Sepulveda Boulevard to Century Boulevard. I mean, literally the way literally is supposed to be meant. It is on the ramp right now behind the big LAX sign, which is stopping up traffic on Sepulveda Boulevard, underneath the runway, through the tunnel, trying to get to LAX. If you're coming up from the south and you're trying to get to LAX, do not use Sepulveda Boulevard. It is just absolutely sold out, diverting traffic up and around Century Boulevard, unfortunately, now getting loaded up because everybody's using Century to avoid Sepulveda Boulevard. And once you get onto LAX proper, that upper deck is just painfully slow. It is a parking lot around the lot, and Skyway is also jammed up as well, coming down from the north of Sepulveda Boulevard. And this is all because of this police pursuit that ended on the ramp from Sepulveda to Century Boulevard. We're still keeping an eye on it. It's been going on for a couple of hours now, so going to be a big mess over near LAX. If you or anyone you know is trying to catch a flight, leave yourself extra time. 210 going westbound, a crash being reported over heading into Pasadena just before Sierra Madre. The backup starts near Santa Anita Avenue. The eastbound side also slows from about Sierra Madre on and off all the way over towards Azusa Avenue. Northbound side of the 57, we've got this signaler in place. It's got a ramp from the north 57 to the west 60 shut down until at least 5:30 because of this overturned big rig. Renovation, demolition, DIY project. Try a dumpster bag from Yellow Sack. Yellow Sack makes waste removal easy, less mess, space-friendly, budget-friendly. Go to yellowsack.com and call 833-3YELLOW, 833-393-5569, and have Yellow Sack delivered to your door. Your next reports, 225 from the Simpson Automotive Group 24-hour traffic center.
You're listening to KNX in depth. Chris Stevens, I'm Charles Feldman. Women long been a minority in corporate boardrooms across America, dramatically underrepresented in the leadership ranks of the country's biggest businesses. A new report shows a troubling trend. Women in leadership roles are more likely than ever to quit as a result of dissatisfaction at work. Yeah, that's according to the 2022 Women in the Workplace report, a large annual study of women employees across hundreds of participating companies. Overall, 60% of managers in the report were men. Amy Edmondson, a professor of leadership and management at the Harvard Business School, joins us now on In Depth to talk more about this. Amy, welcome. First of all, are you surprised by the results of this report?
I guess I'm not surprised, but I am sad.
Okay, but why do you think it's happening?
Well, I think it's happening because organizations are not doing a good enough job to create the conditions whereby women and other employees are motivated to stay, where they just believe this is a place where I can contribute, this is a place where I can grow and develop, this is a place where I have meaningful relationships, care about the work we do, care about the people we serve, and so on. And sometimes, tragically, those ingredients are present, but they're not being conveyed. Companies aren't doing a good job of letting people know what the opportunities are, letting people know how much they care about and value their inputs, and just basically doing what they need to do to make this a good place to work.
Okay, the things that they need to do, and you listed a little bit there. What are some of the things that corporations really should focus on first and foremost to kind of turn things around?
This might sound indirect, but I think first and foremost, they need to double down on purpose. Purpose is what produces people's genuine intrinsic motivation and just reason to do the work. So double down on answering the question, whom do we serve